an electrically operated rice mill in village areas because of its high cost of installation, maintenance, storage, and non-availability of electricity. Friction.
Myself, Shamadrita, and my friend Sharbani Roy made this model. The title of our exhibit is a simple telephone transmitter. Telephone converts the sound waves into electrical current at one end and reconvert them into sound waves at another. It mainly consists of two things.
Jai Gurudev. Good morning, sir. So it's an automatic stamper which automatically stamps the paper. It uses electric current in place of manual one and stamps the paper by generating magnetic field around it. This device uses electric current and it is a hollow abundant box-like structure having no sidewalls except the top and bottom surfaces.
Jai Gurudev, sir. I'm Vandana Jain and she's my partner. The title of our exhibit is Solar Water Heater and
Outer surface is coated with rubber band. Now both the rubber bands, when this cylinder rotates, both the rubber bands get means friction is done these two rubber bands. And here the rice means paddy get inside and paddy has get separated means
automatic
friction
candle
there
lighter.
paddy
This device is very useful in a place like Silchar where electricity is a major problem. We have devised this model in order to cope up with this problem, and this model is very simple and is based on the title of our exhibit.
Let us take two bowls and put some plain water in one bowl and some sparkling water in another bowl. Let us take one egg and put it slowly in the bowl. Egg is in the bowl and let us down the egg. Now let us put the egg slowly in the bowl with the sucking of the egg.
जुड़े बोल रहे हैं तो जुड़े बोल रहे हैं जुड़े बोलो एक्चुअली एक्सप्लेन करो
Our exhibit is Our exhibit is electroplating. It is the process of depositing one metal over another metal by the method of electroplating. We have taken a glass ball containing solution of copper
Our topic is filtration of water. Myself Shivaji and is my partner Rakesh. So water usually contains two types of impurities. One is dissolved and the one is suspended impurities. Great quantities of dissolved and suspended impurities present in water make it unfit for drinking water. And thus this method is being used for the purification.
So by burning splinter, if there is a flame of flame. Myself Shamadrita and my friend Sharbani Roy made this model. The title of our exhibit is a simple telephone transmitter. Telephone converts the sound waves into electrical current at one end and reconvert them into sound waves at another end. It mainly consists of...
Jai Gurudev. I'm Promit Chaudhary and he is my co-worker Gaurav Shah. We are a classmate. So it's an automatic stamper which automatically stamps the paper. It uses electric current and stamps the paper by generating magnetic field. It is a hollow abundant box-like structure having no sidewalls except top and bottom surfaces. It uses electric current in place of manual one. It uses electric current and in place of manual one and can be handled more easily, conveniently and faster than a manual one.
Jai Gurudev. I'm Vandana Jain and she's my partner Devanira Biswas. The title of our exhibit is Solar Water Heater and House Heating System. This device is mainly consists of this wooden plank model house, aluminium sheet, copper pipe and this oil tank. So when sun rays are concentrated on this aluminium sheet, the aluminium sheet and copper pipes become hot.
Jai Gurudev.
Title of our exhibit is Paddle Operated Low Cost Rice Mill.
Now this rice mill consists of two cylinders, one hollow cylinder and another a solid cylinder. Both the cylinders are coated with rubber bands. One end of the cylinder is attached to a paddle. Now this paddle when operated gets out through this outlet and here fan is
Jai Gurudev. The title of our exhibit is Automatic Candle Lighter. So in order to cope up with the problem of electricity, we have devised this model which is very useful and can be afforded by not so well-to-do families as it is very economical. So that's all.
मुझे लगता है वही loudly
Jai Gurudev.
explain loudly
If we take these types of measures, then
And to prevent the noise pollution, silencer should be given to the how many apparatus, how many instruments we can use to remove the pollution. There are billions of cars in the vehicles in the world. You have to give silencer should be provided in all the silencer minimize the sound, but it cannot minimize the pollution. I'm telling you one thing, this is biodiesel, use of biodiesel. Biodiesel of the budget profile. Nowadays 10% profile is
Myself Kudu, partner Binayak. The title of our exhibition is Puzzle. Sir, can you say anything?
and one thing is population is used.
No, sir. I spent from the
So this is all about your experiment. So this is all about your experiment. Fine. Nice.
and it turns pink and become visible. The thing is that, sir, that I first prepare an solution. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. What do you want to show?
Sir, puzzle. Myself Kudu, my partner Binayak.
Jai Gurudev.
My name is Suraj Musa and he's First we made the model of water, clay and water. Then we have fixed small tumbler on the top of the water. And then we have taken one solution of 1 cup, half cup of water and 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Then we have taken another solution of 1 cup of vinegar and 1 cup of
I am nominated
indicated.
use
And first I write
It is based on the principle of unequal thermal expansion of two metals. The two metals we have used aluminium and steam having different unequal thermal expansion. When it is applied in the bimetallic strip, due to unequal thermal expansions, the two metal bends, thereby completing the circuit with the wire and results in the buzzer making sound. Our main motto is to warn the people in case of fire.
Jai Gurudev. This is our model rotation of the earth. My name is Sumanjit Pal Chaudhary. With my colleagues Siddharth, Pradeep and Siddharth. We are showing the model rotation of the earth and its effect. And we are going to show you how day and night occur and how temperature varies. You can see here the temperature, the light falling on the surface of the earth is called as day, and the opposite portion is termed as night. The rotation.
Jai Gurudev. Jai Gurudev. Good morning. I am Praveen Vaid of class 9 and they are my fellow friends Puneet Bhatia and Ratul Ghosh. We have prepared a project of railway signals. Our aim behind this is to create consciousness among the people so that they can prevent themselves from the railway hazards or the accidents taking place in the railway lines. It's a very simple process. First we have to take a long piece of wood and then we have to fix a short piece of wood in an upright position over it. Then we have to take a small piece of cardboard and we have to have a freely hanging nail here, and then we have to take a nut bolt and revolve a copper wire over it above 500 turns. Then we have to take one end of the copper wire directly to the battery and another to the end. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Gaurav Jain.
And I am Antajyoti Jain of class 8.
Our topic is dynamic of the Earth crust. Earth was from 4.5 billion years ago. Earth consists of 3 layers. That is crust, mantle and core. Crust is divided into 2 parts. There is continental crust and oceanic crust. This crust is always moving and this is the zone which is known as the subduction zone where magma is present. This magma erupts out.
Sir, let me first introduce myself. I am Ashutosh Vikramaditya and he is from Kumarsana. You already know that the shopkeepers always maintain a pen balance, but here I have a balance that uses the measure of liquid to measure the weight of liquid.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev. First, I'd like to introduce myself, sir. My name is Abhishek Vishwas and he is my fellow friend Manish Roy. We both represent from class 8. We have made this model of windmill for producing electricity, as you can see here in the chart. We have taken a plywood and fixed here bulbs and wires, motors and fan blades. When I connect like this, here the fan rotates and the bulb goes here. The fan blades here possess mechanical energy which is converted into electrical energy by the generator. So we can conclude that windmill can be used for producing electricity.
Jai Gurudev. Welcome to Maharshi Vidya Mandir. The founder of our school is Maharishi Mahesh Yogi. His philosophy of education is to build heaven on earth. The MVM Silchar was established on 1st August 1995 with a single student and 7 teachers. At that time, our school was in a rented house under the principalship of Mrs. Smrita Sipani at Ningpur, Silchar. And as the time passed, the total enrollment increased and we shifted to our new building at Das Colony, Hailakandi Road.
Then with the blessings of Maharshi Ji and hard works of all the teachers, it made it possible and we are lucky enough to purchase our own land and to construct a new school building. We came here around 4 years back. This building consists of 10 or 20 small and big rooms. Our school provides a good facility in computer science department. Our school was CBSE finished in the year 2003 and recently it will be a plus 2 school with science, arts and commerce streams. We are proud to be students of Maharshi Ji. This is the small model of our new school building. These are the glimpses of our school and these are the philosophy of Maharshi Ji. The utility of this project is to aware people about the philosophy of Maharshi Mahesh Ji. Thank you.
From class 7B.
And I'm Kishore Kumar who's from same class.
I think everyone is familiar of the recent earthquakes that are happening every day. So we have made an earthquake alarm. It's a very simple device which is based on the principle of closed electric circuit. Whenever there are mild tremblers, the bob of the pendulum vibrates and makes a connection with the metallic ring which activates the alarm. Now let me show you.
Jai Gurudev. Our model name is astronomical telescope. It is an optical instrument which is used to see different distant objects more clearly. It consists of 2 bamboo tubes and 2 convex lens which are fitted in the 2 ends of the plastic tubes. The focal length of the objective is more than the focal length of the eyepiece. The focal length, the objective has also large aperture to have large light gathering power so that sufficient light can enter it.
Jai Gurudev. Our model is solar cooker. It is a device which is used to cook food using the solar energy. It is the scientific principle of solar cooker is that it is the incident solar energy is reflected into the interior of the box containing the blackened cans. Once the heat radiation enters this box, it is not allowed to escape by a special glass sheet which covered the blackened cans.
It's a model of Jai Gurudev. This is a model of burglar alarm which helps to alarm the residents about the arrival of any burglar. It is based on the working of the city's electrical circuit where when the circuit is closed, it allows current to flow. As soon as the current flows, there will be immediately. Whenever any person is left for adoption of the setup, it will make the circuit proper, the working level to
and thus it keeps the liquid hot for a long time. This thermoplasm prevents the 3 heat losses, conduction, convection and radiation. We will use to keep some hot drinks such as tea, coffee or hot water.
Jai Gurudev. This is a model of external respiration. Our model is an image of external respiration of the respiratory system in human beings. It is the process of breathing in and breathing out here. It involves 2 stages, inspiration and expiration. In our model, we have shown 2 pairs of lungs. One is normal, another one is affected. Our model works on the principle of air aspiration. We know that the function of the lungs is we have done a project on the life cycle of star. The life cycle of a star begins with the gathering of hydrogen gas and helium gas present in the galaxy to form dense clouds of these gases. The stars are then formed by the gravitational collapse of these over dense clouds of gases present in the galaxy. We will now describe the formation of a protostar. In the beginning, the gases present in the galaxies were mainly hydrogen and some helium. Ultimately, they were compressed and a very condensed object which is called the protostar. The protostar then converts into main sequence.
Now, relaxation of diaphragm and intercostal muscles turns the diaphragm from the sternum to their normal position and reduce the thoracic volume. Our model is surrender of microorganisms towards human beings towards microorganisms. As you know that there is about 78% of nitrogen is present in atmosphere. But the plants are not able to take even a single molecule of nitrogen from the atmosphere directly for utilization. If plants do not take nitrogen from the atmosphere, they are not able to prepare protein, which is very much essential for their proper growth and to perform their metabolic activities. If plants do not take nitrogen and prepare protein, it indirectly affects the whole animal kingdom, including the human beings also, as we the human beings are dependent on plants.
Carbon cycle, I am in carbon is supplied to the atmosphere as carbon dioxide with organic reduction. This carbon dioxide
without any measurement in the middle of the space.
Carbon from the atmosphere moves towards the chemical which utilizes carbon dioxide for manufacturing their own food through photosynthesis. It then moves towards the consumers, then the herbivores and carnivores, and from them towards the decomposers and finally back to the atmosphere. This is the basic carbon cycle which is simple and complex.
Myself, Maharaj Das, is my mission. The name of our model is optical illusion. We know that among various living organisms, human beings have the binocular vision. That is, both the eyes will receive the images and forms a stereoscopic image. That is three-dimensional image. Most of the other organisms has not the ability to form this stereoscopic image. So when we observe anything, our observation is not highly accurate. That is not highly precision. In our model, we have tried to show how much you can perform accurate observation. The model is based on the principle of optical illusion. To make this model,
The name of our model is induction coil. The modern electrical and electronic gadgets use a number of equipment. Different equipment require different types of voltages for their working. So in our model, we also try to make such a system that with the help of which we can get different types of voltages, starting from 1 volt to 50 volt, by changing the number of height and turns of the coil. The main scientific principle of our model is electromagnetic induction. You can see that the light is grey, though we are not bringing these two in contact because due to induction. And due to induction, electrons are jumping from one conductor to another. I am Shashwat Das and he is my partner. We have constructed this model electricity production with the help of sources. We know that the modern age is based on science and technology. So the modern day gadgets run on energy. It is mainly electrical energy. But nowadays there is a great scarcity of energy. Scientists are working day and night to produce new energy sources. Keeping that in our mind, we have tried to construct a model by which we can produce electricity with the help of seesaw. For constructing this model, we have used 2x2 feet plywood. We have used this wooden piece as a seesaw, which is mounted on a movable plank. There is two 6-volt motors fitted here. There is one plank which is fitted here. When one end of the seesaw will be depressed, that plank used to rotate a large gear, and that large gear used to rotate another small gear which is attached to a generator, and that generator used to generate electricity, which you can observe here. All the electricity which are generated here are not consumed by these light emitting diodes. Some are left and these are used later on.
Plasma people are dwelling in multi-story building, but they can't afford lift. So our main motive of building this model is to make a motor-operated low-cost elevating system, which is based on the principle of balancing two weights. One is the weight of the lift and another one is the weight of the extra weight. These two are linked with each other. So three types of pulleys. One is the RF pulley, one is the motor pulley, and one is the flying wheel. Here two motors are placed. When this motor reverses in clockwise direction, this motor reverses anti-clockwise. So when this motor reverses clockwise direction, the lift will come down and the weight here will go up. And when this one will reverse in anti-clockwise direction, the lift will go up and the weight will come down. Thus they balance each other weight and the principle takes place. We have converted the electrical energy into mechanical energy.
Jai Guru. Good morning everyone. As this is the name of the exhibit is production of electricity by speed breaker. As we see here is a speed breaker. So when the vehicles will go up, the speed breaker will go down a bit, and there are some gears inside. When the speed breaker will go down, the gear will rotate, and one bigger gear will rotate, another smaller gear. This smaller gear will rotate 40 times, and from the generation, light will be the electricity will be produced. We will see the electricity that the bulb will go. Again, when the speed breaker will go down just for a second, the light will go, and this will be conserved in the battery, and when the switches will be on, the light will go.
Loudly.
Magnet is a product like iron, cobalt and nickel. Therefore, many treatments are made by magnetic.
This is Joseph Pratt. We have tried to make a simple tsunami sensor. Our sensor contains one tower and one sensor house. In the tower there is one turbine and one open circuit. When the tsunami waves fall on the turbine rotates. As a result, the blade which is connected to the turbine also rotate and get connected with the above wave, so that the electricity flows and alarm rings in the coastline, so that we can easily detect the tsunamis coming.
You explain explain you about our presentation.
The name of our guiding teacher is Shri Joydeep Chaudhary.
This is an automatic access water overflow detecting device. This device consists of two plates, one above another. When water overflows from the reservoir and falls on the upper plate gets in contact with the lower plate due to water pressure, and the device generates alarm sound due to the completion of the circuit. In general, we keep our water reservoir overhead for getting running water throughout the hours. We put on the switch of the pump for filling the reservoir and often forget to put on the switch even after the filling of the reservoir, and thus there is a loss of electrical energy and water. With the help of this device, we can immediately put off the switch of the pump after hearing the alarm sound generated by this device as water overflows from the reservoir.
I'm Arnav Roy. My name is Priyanka Roy. We are here to tell you something about a simple and handy device called pantograph. This device can be used to reduce or enlarge the size of a picture to a desired size without disturbing the size of the original sample. With this pantograph, we can copy drawings at 1/2 or 1/3 of the actual sample. Reversely, we can also make double figures or figures that are 3 times or 4 times the actual sample. This is a basically mathematical model made on the basis of angle bisector law. Its advantages is that we do not need to purchase any costly commodities. Secondly, we can develop it with any easily available materials, even with a hard cardboard. Last but not the least, its accuracy is almost similar to any other.
My name is Shuman Chandra.
The name of our model is magnetic crane, and we are guided by Mr. Joydeep Chaudhary. Generally, cranes are used to lift the heavy objects made of any metal. But this crane is made up of magnets, which is used to lift the heavy object made of iron or steel. The materials required for making this model are: this is the enamel copper wire, this is soft iron core, this is big pulley or wheel, this is small pulley, string, bulb, adapter and switchboard. For constructing this model, first we have wounded this 100 gram of enamel copper wire over this soft iron core, and we have string, one end of which we have connected with a crane and another with a big pulley. It is like magnet and starts attracting the object which is made of iron. So when we revolve it further, it lifts up, and when we wish to drop the object, it is just dropped down. So it is of great use these days because the object which cannot be lifted by 2 or 3 people can be lifted by this.
My name is Krishna Das and my partner's name is Vishwadeep Bhattacharjee. We are from class 7 and we are guided by Mr. Joydeep Chaudhary. The name of our model is mosquito trap. It is a very useful device as mosquitoes create a lot of problem for us. They transmit more protozoan and viral diseases than any other insect does. It is made up of a cuboidal box which is painted black in all the sides. It has holes in all the sides to allow the mosquitoes to come in. It has 2 shelves in it. In the first compartment we have placed a burning candle, a bowl containing lactic acid. In the second compartment we have placed a suction fan, a tuning switch, a bulb, and the third compartment we have poured some water where the mosquitoes get collected. Now when we burn the candle, it emits carbon dioxide, and human body also emits carbon dioxide. And mosquitoes from around 30 meters away can detect this carbon dioxide, and they get attracted toward the citizen, thinking that there is a human body around it.
My name is Sunny Oliver, I am of class 7.
And my name is Abhishek Shankar of class 7.
We are guided by Joydeep sir. Let us introduce our project to you. It is an automatic letter alarm. It is an electrically operated device. When any letter is dropped inside this box, it gives an alarm. The materials required to construct this box is first are very available. These are 1 letter box, 1 electric bulb, 2 tin plates of about 1.5 centimeter wide, cellular plastic. The way to construct this box is first we have to get a letter box made of wood by a carpenter having a size of 16 into 10 into 5 inches. The top of the box from where the letter are to be dropped. The opening of the box should be in front. Before fixing the front side, all the electric connection inside this box should be done. We are guided by Malvika Mishra. It is a polarimeter, it's an optical instrument to find the impurities or the present in the sugar solution. It is an optical instrument which is to measure the specific rotation of an optically active solution. It consists of a source of light to a pair of convex lenses and a tube for filling water samples. When the beam of light is allowed to fall in the polarizers, with this iris we can see the impurities present in the water sample. It is mainly used in sugarcane industry and PhD. It is made in household wood also. We can use it in houses also. We can see the impurities or the germs present in the sugarcane juice or another optically active solution.
But it also emits carbon dioxide. And mosquitoes from around 30 meters away can detect this carbon dioxide, and they get attracted toward the citizen, thinking that there is a human body around it.
My name is Sunny Oliver, I am of class 7.
And my name is Abhishek Shankar of class 7.
We are guided by Joydeep sir. Let us introduce our project to you. It is an automatic letter alarm. It is an electrically operated device. When any letter is dropped inside this box, it gives an alarm. The materials required to construct this box are very available. These are one letter box, one electric bulb, two tin plates of about 1.5 centimeter wide, sellable plastic. The way to construct this box is first we have to get a letterbox made of wood by a carpenter having a size of 16 to 10 into 5 inches. At top of the box from where the letter are to be dropped. The opening of the box should be in front. Before fixing the front side, all the electric connection inside this box should be done. We are guided by Malvika Mixer. It is a polarimeter. It is an optical instrument to find the impurities or the present in the sugar solution. It is an optical instrument which is to measure the specific rotation of an optically active solution. It consists of a source of light to a pair of convex lenses and a tube for filling water samples. When the beam of light is allowed to fall in the polarizers, through this iris we can see the impurities present in the water sample. It is mainly used in sugarcane industry and PhD. It is made in household good also. We can use it in houses also. We can see the impurities or the germs present in the sugarcane juice or another optically active solution.
I am Paramita Roy of class 9. They are my partners, Asha Zain and Shikha Bakri. We are doing a project on medicinal plants found in the Barak Valley under the guidance of Madam Malvika Shetty. From the advent of civilization, man has been related with plants. Plants that provide us food and shelter and several other needs. The earlier written records of medicinal plants date back to 3000 BC. Nearly around 3000 BC, the people of Babylon used clay tablets for medicinal purposes. Chinese records dates back to 4000 BC. Indian diseases which are commonly found in homes. We are doing this project to make the people aware that we can treat our diseases with herbal medicines without allopathic medicines, because allopathic medicines which are used nowadays are having many side effects. But
Sungan Roy, I am from class 7 and I have made a traffic light. To make this, I have used 3 bulb holders, 3 bulb loop wire, which is connected to the band switch, condenser, to diodes and a transformer. When I will connect it to the battery, any of the 3 lights will know. By cooperating them, we can provide ourselves a good supplement. And it is basically used in big cities to control the traffic and to avoid accidents. These are very important in our day-to-day life. Thank you so much.
Subhash Kumar is my partner, Ethan Das. We have made the model of windmill.
To draw water from the well.
Now, as we know the sun is responsible for the blowing of wind, and this wind produces kinetic energy. And this kinetic energy is stored in the windmills to draw water from the well, to grind grains, and to generate electricity, and to sell to propel boats. Now, for this reason, our scientists have built many windmills in Netherlands, California, and India too.
My name is Kamal Vishwas and I have made this model. The name of the model is drainage system. There are 4 types of drainage system: dendritic drainage system, trellis drainage system, rectangular drainage system, and radial drainage system. Now in the drainage system, there are 3 courses or layers in which they are divided: upper course, middle course, and the lower course. But due to the erosional activity of the water, some situation arise, such as some meanders can form and some oxbow lakes also can form. Oxbow lakes are the lakes which are formed by the change of the course of river during the time of an earthquake. When the earthquake occurs, the rivers change their direction and move from another place. And in that place, the water remains stagnant there. And that part is called oxbow lakes. Now the deltas, which are also formed by the erosional activity, through which the water is transmitted.
Good morning, my name is Sanna Chakraborty and he is my team partner Arman Sethi. Our exhibit is on natural diseases. These are springs of hot water which expel water at intervals. The interval depends upon the nature of the spring. The geysers are less common than the springs and are usually found in USA, New Zealand, etc. Scientist named Bunsen explained the working of the geysers.
Suppose this is the upper layer of the earth and the lower layer of the earth is covered with water, and when the water fills, then it tries to come through an open space. So we have here pipes, so the water will come like this. But instead of these rocks, if there were igneous rocks, then the water that is beneath the earth will start warming up and the water that will come.
This is our exhibit on greenhouse effect. Our earth is like this glass house in which easeful solar radiation of sun enters it and gets trapped. The ozone layer of the earth reflects back the unwanted solar radiation into the space and the easeful solar radiation to enter through it. The inside balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen is maintained by the plants, which are the only non-producers.
But we human beings, for our selfish needs, are cutting the trees to meet our requirements. With the depletion of forests, the balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen is also hampered. As the trees are cut, the sun rays which are obstructed by the trees directly reach the Earth's surface, thus increasing the Earth's temperature, which is said to be known as global warming. It remains in the lower part of the atmosphere and makes it warm.
My name is Aswat. I think the name of the exhibit is medicinal plant. As we know that in medicinal plant there is no invention of medicine, so the early people use this medicinal plant for their use. Today also we use this medicinal plant in the form of Ayurvedic. Here are
Some uses of these plants like tulsi. Tulsi juices are extremely useful in cough and cold. Tulsi juices are also useful in curing pox. Neem. It is used for skin disease. It is also used for chicken pox. Tejpatta dust are useful in gums problem. Tejpatta paste are also useful in curing red urine. Pan patta. Betel juices are also used in throat attack and gums problem. Betel juices are also used for eczema. Hot juices of the arar leaves are useful in diabetes. Chewing of pin leaves are useful in tongue disorders. Methi. It is used in diabetes. It is also used in chicken pox or smallpox. Gulmaris, dust of gulmaris mixed with ghee and sugar are used in summer cough. Gulmaris mixed with water are used in indigestion. Tasmina juices are also used in dysentery. Tasmina juices are also used in cancer. We have some other plants with the scientific names like Carmocha, Carissa carendus, Calami, Ipomia reptans, Catal, Ectocarpus heterophyllus, Janthi, Sesbania, Sesban, Nantara, Catanthus, Rosia, Chantan, Centellum, Album, Kexras, Eclipta, Postata, Kakuti, Solomon, Nikram, Verenamusa, Sapientum, Cool, Ziziphus, Murciana, and T. Camellia sinensis, Ananthumul, Hamilvesmus indicus, Arjun, Terminalia, Arjuna, Ashok, Saraka, Soka, Apondo, Calotopicidentia, Pineapple, Ananas, Comasa, Amrul, Oxalis, Corniculata, Amloke, Emlicoxian, and Old Momotica Cherenki.
And my name is Posto Buttajoglu. Our topic is about national symbols. In India, we have many national symbols like national flag, national emblem, national tree, national game,
national animal, national flower, national song, and national birds.
Our national anthem. Our national flag is divided into three colors: saffron, white, and green. Saffron denotes courage and sacrifice made by our freedom fighters. Then we have white. White denotes truth and purity. In the middle, there was one chakra known as Dharam Chakra in navy blue. Then we have green, that represent faith and prosperity. It reminds us of nature and its richness. Then we have our national anthem. On the hosting of national flag, we stand at attention and song our national anthem or listen to our national